Yo people, I'm gonna make cereal. I'm gonna put in the milk. Yeah, the milk. Put it in milk. I like milky cereal. Ooh. Now, the warm water. Yeah. Then, I'm gonna put in the second one. Wow, this is hard to just use your left hand. No, Lucky Charms. I'm just gonna rinse this on good. Yeah. Oh, rinsing down again. Oh my god. Putting some milk on it. Yeah, doesn't that look delicious? Well, that's it for making cereal. Yay, cereal!